Hello, hello my brothers, hello my sisters, and everybody else. My name's John. I came back in the Congo since September 2009. I've lived in England for over 18 years, and in the last part I stayed in a detention center for a year, and no help came to me. Although I stayed there for 18 years, no one came to bail me out. So after a year of remaining in the detention center, I got deported, and I've been living my life here for nearly 8 years now, and it's very difficult. It's difficult, but God has been helping, and I tried to survive. I met a man who came from England. He doesn't want me to say his name, and he's the guy who gave me the idea to make this video. And I'm making this video as a help. I'm asking for your help. If you guys could see me, some of you may recognize me, some of you may not. If you can really help me out with anything, clothes, shoes, money, phone, anything you can just throw it my way. And I'm trying to fight this battle. In 2 years time I've got the rights to appeal, and I'm really looking for some money where I can try to appeal and get back to England. And my number is 0243 819994 3355. So it's 0243 819994 3355. And I thank you a lot, and God will help you, and God will bless you if you can help me to get back to my life. I thank you once again. Thank you.